go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I hope y'all day is good. Today we're gonna be linking up with another YouTuber in this area. He is well known in this area. A lot of people follow him, so we're gonna link up with him, see what's up, and then go from there. Supposedly there is a cruise tonight. As far as the car goes, it's going good. I'm going to have my side skirts. I'm gonna try to install my side skirts. I'm gonna have somebody help me install my side skirts soon. So yeah, that'll be going down. I'm way past my oil changing period, so I will do something about that as well. I want to do an oil change on my car, so I have somebody else to help me. All right, so made it over to the spot. He's right beside me right now. I just got a sneak peek of who it is, but yeah, I know he's older than me. And back when I was in high school, I was looking up videos on like cars I wanted. So, and I know the chassis that I have now is what I wanted, you know. So I stumbled across his video, and he happens to live in my area. So I was like, yo, that's dope, you know? And now here we are now. Right next to him. So yeah, let's hop out real quick. This is his fresh rebuilt. Hold on. Freshly rebuilt FRS. It looks nice. Mine is lowered, obviously, but his look nice. So yeah, we're just gonna chop it up a little bit, chillax, and maybe go to the cruise. But yeah, that's what's popping right now. Yeah, but yeah. Okay, we're here at the meet. It's gonna get packed. I just know it. So yeah. The rollout is at like 9:30. So yeah, this is the view of what it's looking like. But yeah, it's gonna get way worse. I know it. I'm just knowing it's gonna get way worse, and it's gonna get packed. So yeah, the rollout is at like 9:30. So we're just gonna wait. So this is what it's looking like. We got a Mitsubishi CTS-V. Lime green S2K Beamers. To be honest, they got full. I ain't gonna lie, they got full. Like I said, the reputation is hella high right now, since it's a known meet. Vlogging.
I'm Parsa and I'm racist. Hey, bro. Tell Parker next time he invites some good-looking females, bro. Because all I see is mid-looking females. Stay at the I'm telling you, this car is 150,000 pounds lighter, bro. You see this? I could move it.
We got my boy Ashton here. I'll tag in his Instagram. They're finna do a announcement before the whole rollout, so everybody's gathering.
When we roll out, it's gonna be on this side. Please take up one lane, only one lane. And if you don't already have the route, just post it on two things. Either your friends send it to you, or it's on the broadcast channel. It's gonna end at the racetrack right down there. And like, don't get arrested. No, please drive responsibly. We do not encourage reckless behaviors. 35s, the G35s with the flame suits, y'all roll out over there, do your stuff. But remember, please drive responsibly. Good luck, y'all.
Everybody's at racetrack right now. I just pulled up. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna try to record the rollouts.
Where do you want him to go? Where do you want him to go? Where do you want him to go, sweetheart? Sweetheart, there's nowhere to go, like the poor man. It's that way, that way.
I had left as soon as everybody had left.
That way.
Where are they all going?
Staples Park.
That's crazy.
Give us some Daytona activities. Oh shit. Turn off traction.
Turn off traction.
Why does he have a goat?
I don't know.
Hey, your girl's missing. You know, he has a girl with him. He got a girl with him.
The girls are missing.
Yeah, do that right in front of a cop, sweetheart. Chill. Do it when you leave. I'm pretty sure that's one of the first on one minute.
Yeah. V6 Charger is insane, bro.
Not getting an output. Hey, yeah!
And the
Call
work
the boss,
truck.
call the boss!
The work truck, bro. What is up with you?
Whoa, motherfucker, slow down. Hold on. Damn, hello. Wait, hold on, sweetheart. I need your number. Where's the fact she actually stopped? Hey, yo, wait.
Everybody's going to the new spot, so maybe there'll be some new cars. If not, then we'll just end the vlog right here. Cruise was fun. I did it by myself because I could.
Because my car is slow.
Yeah.
Are you picking up spots?
He might light him up.
You might get him.
He might light him up.
Is he gonna get him?
He might light him
Did you
up. I
not
ain't
see
gonna lie.
that? Like fucking 4 cars ran the red light, bro.
Bruh.
Hey, hold on. Start doing a burnout. Go.
Ashton.
What the fuck
Yo. Yeah, everybody's going to.
activities. Yeah, go ahead.
Hell no. So this is a new spot. Everybody got kicked out at racetrack, so this is what it's looking like. It's way bigger. But yeah, maybe this is a potential new spot. Bruh, it's whatever though. It's still a picture. That looks like ass. Bro, I'm so glad I took off my yellow headlights.
Part of the people that got lost.
Real shit, that's real. I'm the people that got lost.
Dude, we missed the first. Me and Parker missed the first exit.
I was so confused, bro, because it was giving me all types of stopping points and pointing me to like exits, and I thought we were supposed to be like on the interstate continuously, you know? So I was like really confused. So like, but yeah, that's about it though. Get a drain pan and then a 15, right?
Yeah, it's like it's up here, but I would take like a 14, probably like a 13. He said the 12 almost fits.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He's gotta be. What if I just drain out the wrong thing? I'm cooked.
Someone did that.
You did? There we go. 14.
There you go, you got the ratchet. Be careful, bro. That oil probably be hot as shit.
Yeah, because I just drove it. Or else I'm cooked. That shit not moving, gang. Damn, they got this shit all tight. Is it the other way?
The ratchet is supposed to be on the other side. That's right.
Why is it not moving? Maybe it's just me.
Get it?
Hell. It's probably because I'm doing this shit with my right hand. I'm not right-handed. Yeah, I'm left-handed. I know it. Impact would work. Impact would get it right off.
16,000 volts.
The fuck? What the fuck happened?
I punched the shit right over there. Button broken though. What you get it? I kicked the shit all the way over.
You said the bolt's broken?
Like broken loose. Hey! Get in there!
So it's broken loose? Oh, you did? Oh. So you're draining it right now. What is taking... Bruh. How'd you do it? How'd you do it? Yeah. You lucky, bruh. I would have took it off if I wasn't left-handed.
I used to both.
You look like you got ran over. Just laying there. That's weird. Now I just gotta lubricate the filter, the inside of the filter, and then put it back on. And then we can put more oil in it. What makes it dirty, you know? Driving it?
How many miles do you go before you do this?
Well, it was set for like 30,000. Me mistakenly thinking that I could go 10,000 miles. That's not gonna work. No, that's not gonna work. So, luckily, all I did was just buy some oil supplies, and then here I am trying to change my own oil.
Absolutely not.
Ow! 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 Stop it!
Just firm and tight. I got oil on it though. So now I just gotta eye it and then Really?
But you can really sit in this engine bay. It's insane.
I know, I just need to add a turbo, man. Get rid of the torque diff and I'll be fast.
2-week Goku.
Bruh, I'm gonna miss like
Got it, man.
Hi, why you had no funnel, bruh?
Oh, you ain't have fun. So you bought an oil kit?
I know, but I was expecting some of y'all to have a funnel. Damn, I missed. We good.
The hell if you hold it with 2 hands, bro? Damn. Bro, you gotta buy another bottle.
Hell nah, stop. Oh yeah, hold on. Bruh, why you tell me? I can check the stick.
Start the car.
Start the car.
Yeah, you're not, it's not gonna be the whole big stick.
Tell me when to turn it off.
Damn. How fast is it about to drop? 1, 2. I know where the dots is at. I just can't tell where the oil is stopping.
Look at it.
See, right now it's dry, yeah. Alright. So I'll add some more. Add some more. I knew it was cap, bro. Wipe it off again.
Wipe it off?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, ain't no way it's all the way up there. New oil. Oh, oil.
Tell me
Shaking, guys.
huh?
Shaking.
It should be good.
Yeah, you should be straight. B minus.
You
You automatically lost like 15 points because you couldn't crack the drain plug.
For real.
Nah, that's kind of like step 1.
But yeah. Now I gotta do the hooning just to break it in. Do some hooning just to break it in.